I do myself so dirty starting the ugliest clothes. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to put together an outfit. So we'll be talking about silhouette, colors, fit, that's kind of the same as silhouette, and also trends and how to style certain trends, because I know you guys love that. Yeah, we're just going to be starting with like something basic, and I'll show you how I work around that and the tips and tricks I use. I got this idea from Gigi on YouTube. If you aren't subscribed to her, I definitely recommend it. Her channel's amazing and she's so cute. I'll link her video down below. Even though it's the same concept, we have pretty different styles, so I figured I would do my take on it, but definitely watch hers as well. Okay, let's just get into the video. We are going to start with the most basic, and I think what most of these types of videos start with, and that is a white t-shirt and jeans. Let's start with the fit of the jeans. This might be surprising, but I only own 2 pairs of jeans now. I've really consolidated my closet. So the first pair I have are the Everlane Way High jeans. These are high-waisted. I guess they're not like a barrel balloon leg. They're just kind of straight down. They're super flattering, make your butt look great. A darker wash. I love these, especially more in the winter time. And the second pair of jeans are actually thrifted little boys jeans. So surprising that out of all the jeans I've had, these are the ones that stick in my closet. They're the brand Route 66. They're low-waisted, super baggy, and a very different feel from the high-waisted Everlane jeans. Next, we have the types of fit of t-shirts, obviously. This first one is a little baby doll tee. Wait, what is it called? Next, we have the type of t-shirts you can wear with your jeans. This feels really basic, but I swear we're gonna get somewhere. This one is just from Fruit of the Loom. It's an extra small. I think it's a youth extra small. I just thrifted it. You can always find these little plain white t-shirts at the thrift store, and they fit me really nicely like a baby tee. And then you can also do like a super baggy tee. I don't have a plain white one, but you know, graphic is the same thing. This one is from the brand Awake, and no, I don't have pants on right now. Let's put together the jeans and t-shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna actually first put on these super baggy jeans with the baggy t-shirt. This is something that not a lot of people like, the baggy on baggy. I love it. It is very relaxed and can almost look not put together. So I'm gonna show you a few ways to spice up this look. First thing, and something I talk about all the time if you're gonna do a baggy top and baggy bottom, is put your hair slicked back. It'll make you look like you didn't just roll out of bed. So let's do that. People always ask me for like a technique on this, and there really is none. I just brush my hair back. And then you can either do claw clip, or sometimes I just take another hair tie and I twist it and I just wrap it around like that. And I don't mind like the bun being a little bit messier so I don't look like I'm going to ballet class. And already we look a little bit more put together. Let's add just a ton of jewelry to make it look a little bit more girly and less tomboy-y. I just like mixing those things. Okay, now we've got all the jewelry on. You can really go a lot of ways from this point. I know sometimes if you're wearing an all baggy outfit, putting on heels can make you feel a little bit more girly and elongated if this is something that's really cutting off your torso. Some people don't think the baggy outfit looks good on everybody. Honestly, I think it looks really good on anybody. Whether you're short, tall, plus size, or whatever, it can look really cute. I don't think you necessarily have to wear heels. And not everything has to be about elongating and stretching your legs and all that kind of stuff. Like, this cuts off my legs so short, but that's not what I'm worried about here. We're not trying to look really feminine and accentuate our curves, obviously. That's not the point of this type of outfit. So I'm probably going to go a little bit more tomboy and put on sneakers. I'm going to keep going with the theme of the lighter colors and put on my New Balance 550s. I think that this is just like a super cool girl look. I think if I was to put on heels, I'd put on like a kitten heel where like my jean kind of still covers the heel. I love the look of this. When I used to put on a super baggy outfit like this, I always wanted that like tuck to show off my leg, prove that I have longer legs. But now I literally couldn't care less, and I actually like the look of it untucked and just my t-shirt covering my whole giant badonk. Now for a bag, if you have a very oversized look, I like to do the juxtaposition of a tiny shoulder bag. We could go with a lighter cream bag, going with the lighter tones, or we can do a little black bag, especially because my graphic tee has a print on it. I think if you're gonna do a super baggy look, a graphic tee is a better way to go than a plain white tee. Surprisingly, I like the cream bag better. And there's the first look. This is my favorite way to wear jeans and a white t-shirt. Okay, now we've got the high-waisted pants on, and with these, first of all, you don't have to worry about your hair being up. So with these, I'm gonna put on the baby tee. Normally, when people talk about, you know, silhouettes and doing jeans and a t-shirt, it's kind of like, oh, you do baggy on bottom and tight on top, or baggy on top and tight on bottom. And I used to follow those rules, and then I realized I didn't like how it looked on me. So now I do baggy and baggy, or like, this is to me tight and tight, but they're really not tight. This t-shirt's a little bit see-through, and I normally wear a nude bra with it, but it's in the wash, so make do with my white one, I'm sorry. So this outfit just already looks a lot more put together on its own. So I can have my hair down and kind of messy, and it doesn't feel like it's taking away from the outfit. Obviously, I could just put tennis shoes with this outfit, and I think that's like a super basic thing to do. It would look really, really, really basic to me. So instead, I'm gonna dress this up because I do like a white t-shirt and jeans dressed up. I know these two first outfits are really basic, but I wanted to start with something I know everyone has in their closet. So I'm gonna put on these little kitten heels. These ones are actually Miu Miu, but I thrifted them for 30 bucks. And especially because I want this look to feel a little bit more summertime since we're getting into summer, I'm gonna add something fun on top. I wanna bring in some color, makes it a little bit more fun, and then we can add another pop of color with the bag. So I either have this blue knockoff Balenciaga Lake Gole, it's from EGO Bags, and normally blue and orange tend to go pretty well together, but it also makes me think of some sports team, Florida, I don't know. So I just like can't do it. I'm such a sports girl. So we're gonna do this not knockoff little Jacquemus, like it's basically a coin purse, but I put it around crossbody bag, and I think it's so cute. We're gonna be talking about color blocking in a couple outfits. Something I talk about then is if you're gonna do color blocking, which basically is this, you wanna pick two colors that are in the same saturation. So these are both like hot neon kind of colors, so they work well together. If this bag was more of like a pastel-y kind of green, it really wouldn't go as well, and that blue also was such like a bold pop of color that it worked. I think this outfit is super cute too though. Wouldn't say I like it as much as the other one because I just like baggy clothes, but I think if you're somebody who likes to show off your silhouette a little more, this is a very cute way of doing it. Okay, next we're going to talk about mixing patterns. I'm showing you guys this outfit first because you've seen it before. So the main rule for mixing patterns is you want to find one color in each pattern and it'll normally match. This one doesn't have that, and because mixing patterns is such a trend right now, we've kind of gotten into this like no rules. When I was at New York for New York Fashion Week, I saw, you know, just like super bold patterns mixed together, or like this with like a neon or something like that. This probably wouldn't go with like a neon, it's like too saturated, but since this is more of a neutral pattern, it kind of goes with everything. And also patterns that are like easy on the eyes, like you look at this and you know it's cheetah print right away. It's almost like a neutral and it will go with basically anything. Same as like a polka dot, a stripe, a gingham. All those could go with this kind of crazier top because it's like a neutral, basic, normal pattern. So you can do whatever you want with it. Two crazy patterns like this is a little bit harder, so I'd normally just stay away. If I was to finish off this outfit, I would go with basic accessories, just my little black kitten heels again, and then this little black shoulder bag. Also, sometimes if you have longer hair and you feel like, you know, you're doing a lot, you can pull your hair forward and kind of cover a good portion of your outfit or pattern, and it can make things a little bit more tame. My hair is not really long enough to do that, and I don't want to be tamed. Let me show you a few more options with mixing patterns. And with this kind of like brighter, more neon top, we've got a totally different look to the cheetah pants. I kept the same accessories. This just shows how much you can change an outfit without changing that much. We have a totally different feel. I feel very tropical and like I should be in the jungle, but I wouldn't survive for more than 10 minutes. Cheetah just goes with everything. And here is a very different look with the mixing patterns. We've got a zebra print and a polka dot. Honestly, both of these patterns are pretty tame and like easy on the eyes, so they go together really well. And this outfit doesn't feel like, I don't think anyone would look at you mixing patterns and be like, oh my god, she's bold. So if you want to like dip your toe in it, simple patterns are definitely the way to go. And I actually love how this outfit turned out. I've never paired these together and I really like it. So if you've ever tried just like playing around in your closet, dress up is fun and it's for older people too. Okay, next I want to talk about midi skirts because they are super trendy right now and I think they intimidate a lot of people. This skirt is kind of almost a maxi skirt. So I think with more of a maxi skirt where it literally goes to my ankles, it kind of doesn't have that, or it really doesn't have that effect of shortening you, because I know that's why a lot of more petite girls don't want to wear midi skirts because they think it makes their legs look short. If you're scared of that, definitely opt for a midi skirt that is basically a maxi skirt. But it's not like a maxi skirt because I think of the like 2012 maxi skirts that literally like touched the ground and made you look like a rotini noodle. Is it rotini? Sorry, Nana. I don't know. Because I'm not worried about my skirt making me look shorter, honestly I'm never worried, I'm going to add my little sambas and really dress this outfit down. I've worn this outfit I think 3 times already since thrifting this skirt a week or 2 ago. And if you can't find a midi skirt that's, you know, this long, you can always just pull any skirt low-waisted and then it'll basically be long enough. For me, this is about as like form-fitting of an outfit as I get, even though like all my legs are hidden. So since it's a little bit more feminine for me, obviously the sambas, dress it down a little bit, make it a little bit more juxtaposition, and then also adding like a big tote bag, I think just makes it that much better. Really like this outfit. The tote bag is Harley Davidson. I know so many of you guys have found it, and it makes me so happy to twin with you. So I don't have an actual true midi skirt. This is a midi dress from Aritzia that I'm just gonna wear as a midi skirt. And I've done this before and worn it, but I normally just wear like a really baggy t-shirt on top. And not just any baggy t-shirt, a baggy graphic t-shirt. I'm not tucking it in, I'm leaving it like this because I like it. But I think with this, it's gonna look better again with my hair up, so I'm gonna slick it again. I think for so long we were worried about what was flattering, and it was like, oh, you don't wanna lose your waist in an outfit, and you wanna show off your assets and whatever, and why was that only for women? So I love that nowadays it's like, no, we don't have to do that. You can wear all baggy clothes and look chic and still feminine and cool and hot and sexy and pretty and smart and funny and okay. Like, I'm sorry, this is effing cute. Okay, but my tip, the reason I wanted to show you guys a midi skirt is because if you're worried about your legs getting cut off with a midi skirt, add knee-high boots. I've kind of got a few options. These ones might be the only ones that are tall enough to actually like go under the dress. Okay, calves, little chunky girls. And this is like the look I wanted to show you, that we're not cutting anything off. It's all, you know, in line. But because this outfit ended up a little bit more cash, I think a black cowboy boot could be cute. I would wear the I would wear the black cowboy boot. I think it just matches a little bit better. Maybe if I had these boots in black, but the cowboy boot doesn't go up high enough, and I'm not sure these ones will either. These ones will dress up the outfit again, and I'm all for wearing a super baggy outfit and dressing it up, or like dressing up a baggy t-shirt. The zebra print is long enough, so I'm gonna stick with the zebra print, but I think if I was wearing them, I'd wear the cowboy boot. But I wanted to show you guys, okay, I wanted to show you guys the effect. That is so cute. Go anywhere, and I want to start wearing my outfits. And because this one's a little bit more of a baggy outfit, I'm gonna stick with the small shoulder bag. I love these colors together. These zebra print boots are from Zara, and I'm beyond obsessed with them. I think they're so effing cute. I love wearing this midi dress as a midi skirt. It again is super flattering, and this wasn't a cheap item. I got it like 3 years ago, and it was really expensive to me, and I've worn it so many times, so many different ways, so I'm very happy that I purchased it. It's the brand Wilfred from Aritzia, and I literally don't shop at Aritzia anymore, but I would just to get this skirt again. And then this is Gucci, but it's from Da Vintage Plug on Instagram. I'm sorry, this is cute. Do you guys hate it? Be honest with me. Where are we going, you guys? Where are we going? Who wants to take me out on a date? The next thing I want to talk about are dresses with no shape, because those again are very in right now. When I think of me trying to style them the last time they were in, I just felt like a blob, but apparently now I love to look like a blob. Okay, this dress again might not be everybody's cup of tea. I'm calling it a blob dress. It's like a tiered, no figure type dress. The first thing we have going for us is that our whole like chest is showing basically. It really adds not losing our entire figure, but even if we were, I wouldn't care. I'm gonna keep my hair in a slick bun just because, especially with the sleeves, It just looks a lot better and cleaner. And because this dress is so long, we don't have to go with the same rule of the midi skirt and have that elongates our leg. And again, you don't ever have to go with that rule. That's just if you feel like you're losing your leg. I don't really know what shoes I want to do with this. Maybe a ballet flat. So a lot of you guys thought I bought the Miu Miu ballet flats. I mean, they look like it. But these are actually from Caitlin Pan. She just kind of makes like knockoff shoes. Or they, I don't really know who it is. But these shoes were $100 instead of like 700 or 800. And I'm sorry if you don't agree with dupes, but I think Miu Miu is just fine. Okay, and with a dress like this, you know, a big blob, I would normally follow the same rule as the baggy outfit and a little shoulder bag, but because of the sleeve, actually I kind of like how that looks. It's just super tiny. The sleeve basically covers it, but like, you know, I have a little bag there. I'm not mad about it. Dang, I think that this dress is so cute. So again, to go over the tips of the blob dress, because it doesn't really feel like I did a lot here. Slick back your hair, pair it with a smaller bag. I think it's cute. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you is color blocking, and it's really just because I want to show you this dress. Literally, how perfect is this dress and this color? From the brand Later Days, they're a new like small business brand. They use sustainable fabrics. Like, look at this dress. Is this not the most perfect thing you've ever seen? It honestly looks pretty cute with these shoes, but they don't fit into what we're going to be talking about with color blocking. I'm actually going to keep my hair up too, just because I love the neckline of this dress. Like, I don't want to take anything away from it. First, let's show something that's wrong. Even though now that I'm holding this up, this doesn't even look that bad, but it's supposed to. These boots are a like deep cherry red, a very true red. Orange is a neon kind of lighter orange. They're just not in the same group of colors. For this red to work, it would have to be a lot lighter and brighter, and then they would be the same or match. Monochromatic outfits can work, and maybe if I had another different orange aspect, like a pair of orange shoes or something, we could make this headscarf work. Again, you can tell this one is just a little bit more pastel when this is like a hot orange. So again, they don't work. Okay, two colors that would work with this purse. First of all, this neon green bag. Even though it worked with that other orange, since it's such a different color from orange, you can be a little bit more lenient. Just like that they're both neon, they go together. And then also, purple headscarf. This looks better. Can you tell? Because it's a little bit more pastel like this orange. Obviously, there's no like neon purple. I think this is as close as you would get to a neon purple. And I was gonna keep my hair up, but let's put this little scarf on to show the color blocking, because I don't think I have anything else that really goes right with this dress. I'm not even 100% about the shoes and the bag. I don't really know how much I like black incorporated in this outfit, but I really can't think of any other shoes that would work with this. I don't have like white heels or cream heels. I think that this like cream bag just goes well with these muted colors. Like, up top, we look really cute and very put together, even though we are super mismatch. What do you guys think? Again, this dress is Later Days. Definitely check it out. This purse is Glint, G-L-Y-N-I-T. This headscarf and the orange one are actually Nasty Gal. I've had these forever and I love them. And then again, the Miu Miu thrifted heels. I will try to link everything I can down below, or similar products. Remind me to do that because I always forget. Okay, and that's it for this video. That's how I put together outfits, and especially trends right now. Let me know if you guys like this video. Remember to check out Gigi's, and that's it. Now, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.